Hi guys, I'm Jamie and welcome to my channel. Now, I started my channel to document my swimming. Now, recently I have been paying a lot of attention to what has been going on in the stock markets both locally and internationally. And this is where it dawned on me that now more than ever people need to be educated. So based on this, I have decided to share my knowledge on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship while tackling current issues. I plan to upload videos for swimming on Sundays and investing on Wednesdays. So in the near future, I actually plan to start doing Q&A videos where I answer questions from the comment section on a weekly basis. Now that I'm actually still working out the details. Thanks for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell also so every time I upload a new video, you will know.